there, it's Amelia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the remix option on your mobile device in your YouTube app to quickly and easily create one or more shorts from your long form video. Let's get started. And before I begin, if you find this video helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get right to it. From the YouTube app on your mobile device, you'll want to open up the long form video. Once you open the video up, you'll want to position to the beginning of where you want to remix the short. Now, something to keep in mind is that shorts can only be 1 minute, so ahead of time you'll probably want to go through your long form video and select a section that is no longer than 1 minute that you want to remix into a short. For me, I'm going to go ahead and move the slider bar all the way up to 1842. And it can be approximate because coming up you can adjust it. So I'm right at 1840. And then to use the remix option, you're going to tap this share icon, and then you're going to select remix from the bottom. Then you're going to select edit into short. And your video will start playing. The first thing you want to do is on the upper right, instead of 15 seconds, tap here to change it to 60 seconds. And then you want to outstretch the bottom for the full 60 seconds. The next thing you'll want to do is use your finger and just slide on the bottom left and right to position exactly where you want the short to start. I want mine to start at 1842. And then what you will want to do though is watch your video and then decide how you want it to show in the short, since it has to be a vertical video. Now what I like to do is, once I have my positioning correct, then I want to tap on layouts, and I like to use the split option. So it's the second option here, and split 1 will show you the full screen at the top and then the vertical section, which sometimes doesn't show everything, on the bottom. I personally like this option. And then on the bottom, you could actually move that as needed to show what you want on the bottom section. At this point, it's important to listen and watch your whole minute-long video to ensure what you want to include in your short. When you're finished adjusting and confirming, tap continue. The next thing you'll want to do is add any text boxes or captions in the beginning of your video, for example, because the beginning of your video may not have anything you want to show as the front cover image, including text. You'll want to make sure the first few seconds of your short are appealing, adding a few words in a text box if needed. Other options on the right are trim, filters, stickers, captions, and voiceover. To add a text overlay, tap the text icon, the 2 A's on the right, and add any text that you want to select for your cover photo for your short. Something short and to the point, something specific. So I'm going to add my text, how to access your author page from Amazon. Tap done on the upper right, and then quickly tap on the text box and select timing. So the timing of your caption is important, especially if you only want it to show at the beginning. So I'm going to shorten it and have it only display at the very beginning. And then you'll want to play it and make sure that it only shows the text box at the beginning where you want. Tap done. And I want to add another text box at the end. So I'll tap the text icon again, and this will be a call to action to let my viewers know that they could see more of similar shorts for this topic in a particular playlist. Tap done. Tap the text box. Tap timing. And I want this to play at the very end. Display at the very end. Preview it. Tap done. Then tap next. And what I'll usually do is just add a temporary title, and then it's set for visibility private. You want to make sure it's set to private, and then upload your short. And then I like to go back to my desktop and finish adding the metadata and optimizing the title, etc., and then setting it to public, or you can schedule the short. You could add more details if you like. You can click show more and make your selections in the app here, but I recommend going into YouTube Studio to finish up and optimize your metadata. And that's coming up next, and I'll show you how I finalize my short. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and upload the video, and from the bottom, tap upload short. So here I am in the YouTube Studio on my desktop, and I'm going to finish and optimize the metadata before I put the short live. So you'll want to go to your Shorts tab in YouTube Studio and locate the short that you uploaded from your mobile device. Now I just put a few shorts live, all remixed from the same long form video that I just showed you. The one that I just demonstrated is this one here, and I just recently optimized the title. So you'll want to click the pencil icon, which will take you into the editor for that video short, and then you want to optimize your title. I like to use TubeBuddy to optimize the title and try different titles out and see the score. I'm going to copy the title, and if you're not using TubeBuddy, you could use vidIQ or similar tools. In TubeBuddy, I go into Keyword Explorer and then I paste in the title, press enter or click Explorer, and then it'll give you a weighted and unweighted score. And this one has a really good score of 100, so I'm going to keep this title. And then you'll want to optimize the description as well. You want to keep the description in a short, fairly brief, and the first sentence could be a quick summary of what the short entails, and then a few links if you like. Further down, you want to make sure you add your short to one or more of your playlists, answer any of the questions, and then add tags as needed. Then over on the right, in related video, you'll want to select the long form video that you remixed to create the short. Finally, in the visibility, which will be set to private if you had that set up on your phone when you uploaded it, you want to change the visibility to either public, or you can click schedule and then schedule the short for later that day or the next day as needed. And then make sure you save your changes. Once all changes are saved, the save button will be dim, and that's it. And then your video short is live or scheduled to be live, remixed from your long form video. Shorts can be a great way to boost exposure, reach new viewers, and help drive traffic back to your long form content. One of the biggest advantages of the remix feature is that you can revisit videos you've already created and turn them into multiple shorts in just a few minutes. That means you can repurpose your best content, save time, and continue getting value from videos that are already performing well. It's an easy way to create more content without having to start from scratch. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and smash the like button and remember to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.